Behind me is one of our farmers' friends' hoop houses, and as you can see, it has trellising. And this trellising is attached to the purlings, and it makes it super easy to trellis things like cucumbers and tomatoes. But how do you install this? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we do it. And I know that Farmers Friends has a trellising kit, and it's pretty much exactly the same as this. But the only thing is, if you do it this way, you're going to save a lot of money. I love Farmers Friends, and they make some great stuff, but some of it is just a little bit too expensive. So we're going to be putting some trellising on this row of tomatoes right here. So the first thing I do is I put a brace band at each end, kind of centered on the row. And again, you can see the brace band on this side, and it is directly center of this row of these tomatoes. And what I've done next is I've ran a string between those two clips that we put on the end. That way we can install these hangers right here on each of the bows. So let's do that next. All right, and let me show you how we're putting these in. So as you can see, it has one hole at the bottom and one hole on top, and it comes with the screw. So we're just gonna line it up right here on the rope, make sure it's good. Then we're gonna take our drill and just drive it right into that post. So let me put the camera down. I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, great, and as you can see, it is screwed in. And I have the rest of them screwed in as well on this line. And to drill this in, I'm just using this DeWalt impact drill, and it works great. A tip is though, just go slow on it to start, as the treads of the screw will bite this metal. If you go too fast, sometimes it'll strip it out. So now that we got that done, let's remove this string line and start installing the metal cable. Great, so what we're gonna run through these is a 1/8 metal cable. And I'll put the link to where I got all this stuff online. And this is a great deal. It is galvanized, so we're just gonna run that through these bottom holes and around here, and we're gonna put a clamp on it. So let's do that real quick. As you can see, I got it started right there. And one of the cool things about this spool is I can just leave it on the ground, pull on it, and it'll roll. So I'm just gonna take it. We're gonna move this one out so it's center. Then we're gonna take this metal cable, and we're just gonna put it right on there through the hole. And we're gonna go on and do the rest of these. All right, so now we are at the end of it. As you can see, I've run it all the way. We're through the last one. So now we're gonna take this clip right here and this ratchet, and we're gonna tie these two together. So as you can see, I've tightened it up on here. I've also tightened up the top one and this clamp right here. So now all you gotta do is go to the other side, put another clamp on it, tighten this rope, and you are good to go. All right, you guys, so that is how we set up the trellis system. And as you can see, I do have tomatoes that are trellised using the clipper system hanging on this trellis line. I highly recommend the clipper trellis system. It works great in conjunction with this overhead wire. And again, I'm gonna link everything you guys need in the description to do this. Check it out, enjoy it. And if you guys wanna see more content like this, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.